You ever hit record, start talking, and your brain just blanks? You know what you want to say, but you can't seem to get your brain to form the words properly and articulate exactly what it is you're trying to get out? Stick around. I just saw a seasoned creator, 85,000 subs, go through this exact thing. I'm sure you know who I'm talking about. I mean, you saw the thumbnail. If you don't, his channel is called Rob the Maritimer. Great creator. 85,000 subs. He's in the YouTube growth niche. Charismatic, very articulate. He's authentic, easy to watch. He's a great creator, a great YouTuber. Well, recently, he put out a video, unscripted and unedited, I think is what it says. He forgot his notes. He forgot his cue cards. So he went completely unscripted, and another great video. He did well, but he instantly fell into that struggle that I think every creator falls into, where you just can't seem to figure out the words to say what it is that you're trying to get across. And it made me think, really, you, as a creator with, 35 subs right now, I think, and he's got 85,000, and he can't just flip on a camera and talk? That means probably most people can't. In the same boat as me, you, and everybody else. Almost everybody else. And it's not that you're not talented, right? It happens to everyone. It's a very difficult thing to do. And when you start a channel, it's something that I think everybody should do. Flip on the camera and just talk to it. Get used to that feeling and build that new skill. You're gonna need it. Doesn't matter if you put up 10 videos or 10,000. Struggles don't disappear with your subscriber count. They just change and evolve, and new struggles, new challenges arise. The more you do this, the more you'll rise above each one and grow your channel. Even seasoned creators hit walls that they have to break through. It's an ongoing game, never ends. Forgetting words, losing your train of thought, right? Creative doubt is this good enough? Should I even post this? It's questions that we all ask ourselves when we're running through our videos and recording them. For example, even right now, I've re-recorded or restarted a sentence because it just didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out. You don't have to put things up. You can always re-record. All it is more storage space. Balancing YouTube with life and work, family. But you're not alone. We're all going through it. Every one of us. And if you're thinking about starting a channel, you will too. But it's something that can be overcome. It's something that you can work on. I want you to keep one thing in mind at all times when you're working on this stuff. Struggles don't mean that you're failing. Okay? They're proof that you're still growing and you're heading in the right direction. You're still pushing and creating content. And you should be proud of that. Give yourself a pat on the back, take a look in the mirror. You are good enough. Yes. Or however you do it. So let me ask you, what's the biggest struggle you're facing with your channel right now? Drop it in the comment below, and I guarantee you, you're not the only one. I hope I'm one of them. And I know there's a lot more out there. And Rob, if you're seeing this, you're making a difference for so many people. Keep kicking ass and taking names, man. See you guys in the next one.